Christmas is coming, and you are probably looking for great organic diapers. Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below, choose your favorite, and start your countdown for Christmas. Number 1. Diapers can be hard on the wallet, our planet and your baby's sensitive skin. That's why we've designed our Skin Love diapers to better fit your values and your baby. Made with our new blend of plant-derived materials, our diapers are intended for superior comfort and fit and enhanced absorbency by Babyganics. Number 2. Formulated without chlorine, latex, petroleum-based lotions or fragrances. Formulated with Nourish seed oil blend, our own blend of tomato, sunflower, cranberry, black cumin and raspberry seed oils, another great product by Babyganics. Number 3. Babyganics Ultra Absorbent Diapers, Size 3, 184 count. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.